Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Persistent Trading Solutions. Today we will just do a post-market review of 12th January Bank Nifty performance. So we are just going to review how the market behaved today, and maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow on the weekend we will do a fresh multi-time frame analysis for the next week, so that it becomes easy for the new traders to understand how we do the market structure analysis. So if we just look at today's performance, market remained bullish and also remained within the range of this 5-minute supply and 15-minute supply on the higher side, and also within the range of 15-minute demand. And this is exactly what we have yesterday identified these two zones. Like in our Telegram channel also we have posted this weekly, daily and 5-minute. So this is where we closed 5-minute and 15-minute. This is the chart where we have closed yesterday. So we expected market to remain within this range. So in case if we want to take a short trade, we were thinking that let the market close below this 15-minute demand zone, then we can think of any short trade, or else market likely to go touch this 15-minute supply is what we expected, because on 10th January, we have first identified the market turned bullish in the first 5-minute time frame, right? So this is what first we identified, the market turned to bullish in the 5-minute time frame. Then next day it has extended and 15 minutes also turned bullish, right? So that is what yesterday happened, that 15-minute also turned bullish. And today we were expecting if 1 hour also turned bullish, then probably that will continue to the daily and weekly time frame aligned with the larger time frame, so that we can trade on the bullish side little aggressively compared to the conservative mode. But as long as the market doesn't go beyond these two levels, we do not have any specific trend as of now, whether it is bullish or bearish we cannot confirm, although it is like internally looks bullish, because we have seen this 5 minutes 15 minutes trend change. So someone who has taken a trade near this 15-minute demand zone yesterday and holding the positions, probably it would have given some positive result, but in the end there is some profit booking has come. But overall it is okay, continue to remain in the profit. But what about the traders on the intraday? Have they got any trading opportunity today? For me, I felt it's little tricky today. It's difficult to take intraday position given it is Friday. That is the first thing, because a lot of stop loss hunting generally will happen. And second thing is, based upon the market structure also, we did get any opportunity. Let's see whether if we have got any opportunity. It opened a little gap up and then came down almost like 15-20 minutes. It's a kind of bearish mode, and reached towards almost like yesterday's closing level, and from there market picked up and went high, right? So market actually turned bullish here. Okay, it's like change of character. You see here, this is also like a closing above this level. It's like a change of character. Generally when the change of character happens, what do? We wait for the pullback. The market comes in this range, then probably we could have taken a long trade, but that did not happen. Then market, there is no pullback at this level. This is the level where the pullback has started. Okay, but market did not pull back to this level. This is the first concept which we have learned in the market structure basic video. In case if you want to learn that, please refer to the link given below in the description. So after this trend, then trend change happened actually here, right? The market tried to go down. And did we see any internal change of character which is aligning with the larger trend? We got one opportunity here, because market did not form any further internal bearish structure towards reaching this particular zone. This will be like slightly aggressive even if you take any trade here, because we are in the conservative mode. We want to wait market to pull back at this level. But let's say if you want to be slightly aggressive, because you have seen some change of character at this level, so you would be waiting for this level, right? This is the level probably you would be waiting. And this level, at what time it has reached, is almost like towards end of trading session after 3 o'clock it has reached. So there is no point someone taking a trade after 3 p.m. especially in the option buying. It sometimes create huge volatility. So for the new traders it will become very difficult. So even for the experienced traders it becomes sometimes difficult to hold the positions, because in one single candle itself it will go hit your stop loss and go significantly high, again come back. It might create any volatility post 3 p.m. and especially this is like 3:10, so it's almost like closing of the session. So let's say we missed this opportunity on the long side, and we know that there is 5-minute and 15-minute supply, and let's say if you want to take any trade based upon the confirmation. So what is the confirmation that you need if you want to take any trade? You need a change of character in the supply zone. Then once it pulls back, you can take a trade and wait for the previous swing low. So this is what basically we do it when during the bearish scenario. So in this case today what happened is market from here it went down, closed high, but it did not made any change of character at this level, right? And straight away again it went high, and here it made a change of character. When it reached, generally you take this bearish trade, but by the time it reached there, market has actually closed. So that means in intraday, if we follow the market structure analysis and the basic concept of the first swing low and swing high, if you are targeting to take a trade, today it did not give any kind of opportunity on intraday basis. If you want to be little aggressive and then take positions, generally Friday what happens is whenever market opens a gap up from the closing closing of the previous session, it comes back towards that closing level, or sometimes it will just hit the stop loss below this swing level, and from there it will reverses. And in case if market opens a gap down and it goes almost towards to the closing level, and sometimes it takes the stop loss above that particular swing towards the closing session, and comes back again continue its bearish scenario. That's how Friday happens. So if you are a little aggressive trader, probably you could have taken a trade after looking at this green candle formation, and it's a slightly kind of a pin bar, not exactly pin bar, but it's we can see some kind of bullish bias here, because there are a lot of pin bars here as well. So we can see some kind of support forming. From there market moved higher. So this is one opportunity probably you could have got, because we know that 5 minutes and 15 minutes turned bullish yesterday itself, right? So this is how market behaved today. So for Monday and then for the upcoming week, let us do fresh market analysis maybe over the weekend, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so that everyone can learn and understand what is market structure, how do we actually decide our supply zones and demand zones, and is there any swing pattern you can identify. So these type of things. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll connect for the weekend. Bye.